those are the people ubati wita na po safari gisiasa Martin. Because now unike yako judging from team zira chidrite irio chege siasa both at the county level at the national level. Team Mwerekera kona ina agenda, at least able to articulate an agenda. Team Mwerekera kona by clear ina by tena ina by KTMV. Team Mwerekera kona clear na ideology. Team Mwerekera kona clear na iram kona kia kwa na mantu ya menya kuna community iram mete Meru. Ni au kwa William Samoei Ruto na Professor Abraham Kithure Kindiki. That is why for me I have made a decision, a conscious decision ya support William Samoei Ruto na support Professor Kithure Kindiki. And with time ngakueleza the reason why Martin uni mbumete this region imbumete kuikwa especially Nyande primary school marieto ya many leaders. The highest we gotten as a region area wetu Meru kana baba wetu Meru community arato eta kuraya mno in terms of political nini ibitebia cabinet secretaries kana baraba eta ministers back then. Na you know the highest office we've ever held as a people of a Meru community. Na the inende tuina giti nonto Martin tukarongwania the reason why anto bacho a power kana itumia anto benda kwithira bai na power na bo inonto there are very many benefits ira chi yanakiana power. So we equally kinyaba atu as a community ya Meru ito need nyaba atu tuina power. Nonto politics ichoi determine Martin a lot of things. Ichoi could determine so many things yonto ari remanto ya beteruri because today April baka vivia nini politics ichoi kuita ika determine all those things. Na wina power ibomba kuithira wina a step ahead ibononto batu as a Meru community. On by late kinya in terms of future siasa young people from this community ya Meru. That is from Tharaka County, from Meru County. Okay, akwaili the future of young leaders from this community. Bakethira tuna a lot of motivation and encouragement. Kwa tuika Professor Kithure Kindiki one day aka president of the Republic of Kenya. Now it will be a clear message again, even to the smaller communities in the country. Bakethire nyabo tiri on there that the bigger tribal groupings ikaomba kuyamwe so that ba produce president, because in the past todire that okay there to na president kuma ke communities iranene eko na Kalejins. Those are the only communities that have produced a president. Professor Kindiki Kithure is here to show us that as long as we na credentials, as long as we na capacity, it doesn't matter community. You can become the president of the Republic of Kenya. It is part of the reason why now, only Professor Kithure Kindiki, I would be someone who betrays the community. If I leave someone in a future, I could determine future. So many other young people, could dream. Because even previously, we've had people threatened from Meru. Bua mtura ageri nyaku akarwa maite kia president kuma Meru, mtura tawa Mwerekera. Na nyayo it did not go far.
Kinyamunya na wete akarwa maite kia president 2022.
No, he was not on the ballot.
Yeah. So now, Mwesh.
Yes.
You already declared ati bwetu tamu.
Yes.
Whom are you speaking for? Ni babu on your behalves, kana ni on behalves chia Ameru barabo ko represent.
Now, Borako Kari ours is a representative democracy. Na Martin democracy ni wete kiria as a leader. Kuithira wina msimamo. Msimamo yura mtu ameakuithire na you as a leader must not be the stand of every representative, every person that you represent. No ntombi kinya barabaringeri kura bwana Martin. Tika kindi baringero kura wi mwananchi ponde 100%. I would imagine any ward, pick any ward for example, tuwenye natho. Natho mtora chindire tike MCA. Ikware na candidates bangi. Na for example kaya koya kura tia all the candidates. Barabari natho. Okay, uchungania mwe chiomba kuthiriri nyingi ke kura tia mtora etere ate achindire nonto tu ai by simple majority. But as such, it is your freedom of expression na association in terms of political alignment gagged as a leader. You must belong somewhere. You can't blow cold and hot at the same time. Martin as a good leader. At some point, when we started the impeachment motions, almost all the MCAs baitake kawira mwangaza tukuthiria the first impeachment totiro uni na mheshimiwa ZK and it was very unpopular wagerakia kwaria Martin nukurikana toya nukurikana toya ushone ndageria kuwa mantu burani ni Meru tete boya nkero we kwina ntho there is no way 67 members of the county assembly iba wita bura lakini we na ZK bwinkapo kuringa kele contrary so we must not sometimes not everything that is popular is right. Itokuelewa Martin?
Let me kuthomere post umba kuwa either ni popular kana unpopular.
Yes.
Depending na of course njire orori. But Michael Makarenara andikire icho araua atire. Araua the deputy president has directed all Meru County Assembly
press briefing. It is not a secret. Menya itithere secret kandi ndewa members ba county assembly betite kuthithia press na isikirete ende yumira a surprise. It has never been like that. No tukinya the content of birato yete kwira Meru will be in public at the end of the day. Na itu preempt and we talk to people. And most of times inya tuweta kanisene tuweta chia thone tuweche ndurasho mathiko nini ituira antu na to ya radio na TV ne yontu weru ituira antu that this is where we belong. So ntewete kia kwebyo biri au tekende Makarena kankurwania no nyate bokeroria he has not invented anything. He only preempted what we anticipated to come to do no to are kuya kuthithia press. So number 2 Martin tika kindi support yetu ke professor kindi for example ya uni tika kindi secret uni kethira inda mure uita safari because we must like I said no mwanka to belong somewhere no to undi kirinya mbera tiri bwana Martin ina uni as a young leader ino kwenda belong who is the presidential candidate for example that urai front end against Ruto kende beta kwa line now no number 2 ne anjende iri ku that presidential candidate yeneo nde yayo onto TV na radio menya ko enumerate kire antu mbere ne ndi babu ndire nda tutira maraga no ntu maraga kina kibia getate aina ko ke Meru today utewe including barabai na nini ke opposition utewe ya kuira ruare bwana Martin that Meru ikona barabara ya nona ikona dam ikona B ikona CS bana ikona PS bana ke thirikari uba ko hope igetate ikeya utewe nyomwe we okay wa bauria
abo babwira ri babwira ibabo ingeri
sorry bira already be promised so far only I can speak especially kuma na ambu metatiania barabara wetu barabara bwana Martin tuire kuandamanira when I was in the university today section iri yele especially kuma kaene kuina mamwanka side ya Memponi I was there last week but one na ndethira barabara huu already section zire ibati kuthithwa culvert already culvert ni wetate ni kuthithwa na barabara contractor are on site and seriously doing work hunimbithira nkaria the Martin ngita upinga barabara etiende unimpinge barabara ino ntu ibakindriki na ruto bakuthithia thai mbetere thirikari reke yo formwa ithithirie barabara na ibarabara Martin uni ethithwe ya kulukira antu angurite munda antu menya waka muju yo itate na antu bawetu bakaunika so sometimes as a leader rimuno wamwe utita na popularity na burantu bakwenda na wave irantu bakwenda because at the end of the day batu tuka mwende wita tuandamane eti barabara tuinge contractor tumuinge mbi saitine who told you thirikari yu chwekeya na who told you nya ya buthikira kana ya buthithiria so a bird in a hand is better than two in the bush ira wete nyonira kanyonikara already wete Martin iko bati kukumia muno nkulukia karaka muithone no ntoitha no uringe kakaburuka sawa no wete kagetire nongi
so now
na nkithiria mbeo kwetu bado kuna mini yakirwe ya serious store serious last year it was complete na yina ino antu bekairwa fertilizer thai na inya thai onto antu bakethete bara bakwenda iba wita basto pempechio ika dried nonto bo issues chia aflatoxin na bara bakwenda usto au kenda mauria itia bado iba wita ate that project is complete okay ya wita antuku wito uru intigani west a similar project is complete and in use done by this government under the nini ya President William Ruto na Professor Kithure Kindiki ya wita thoko ekinja market undariria gicigo mbunge kirambitete ate kirambumite ya wita thoko ekinja market it is almost complete. I was there the other day. I have a small business and you know ureyo iri guru au ngorobene no ya kwailie no kuona how the market is coming up very fast ya wita barabara emeathene kuma anto ako wito kirindi na witite meathene kendio wito turira monka mekinduri contractor is on site already bathite barabara bakuluka monka wa PS Kiburi
bakwambiria
yes the contractor is on site barabara ne kuthithwa akuluka kwa PS Kiburi kinya monka uru ikulukite yithite uriku now how do you as a responsible leader na toka menya wita kuira wananchi no kiona koi manto kuthithika ground ine mobilize wananchi obera tuingei contractor twetere gachagua na ba nani na ba Maraga na ba Matiangi ba form thirikari ito already nya batira amwa no wako itate bakwenda so mbere ba amwa wacha tukae hapa
nande mwenda mumero ariuria atiri nontu ito eborogire tutamu igoro
yes
imbi proposal bwina chio chia mantu jara tukona mbere ithurano twithia twiringa kura.
One of the proposals is a speedy completion ya project ira already chiambiriretwe. One of our ultimatums key government is one we need the projects already started to yontu chia barabara. We need those projects completed. Now one of the reasons why to a lot of hope I want to monto it was CS Moga already are set aside to the tune of almost 1 billion key projects chenrwe cha Meru na imbet na imantu to kuona evidence that this money is set aside in the budget so tengo no cheka mankure uto kwariria kethira ni last mile connectivity ya no airway the nyarwe iru na last mile connectivity Moga na setete aside 240 million that project that money is in the budget kudhamia sewerage system Meru.
Mheshimiwa the only problem is we keep hearing at mantu ya yonde ya bangiri beche itiadoli to ina mantu ya for example sewage ya Meru is been there for the longest
no kumenyanite ya Martin I'll tell you this let us cut this government some slack. How? Sewage ya Meru is how the real during the Uhuru regime ni tonto tutethia tu na conversation ya sewage ya Meru iseterwa aside etera Martin iseterwa aside listen iseterwa aside even 1 million inye mobilization yake but in this government riende kwa tuweka mwankanya budget ya at least 240 million is set aside ilo nende tu kuambia kuatire siwenji kitwire ariku thoko igakoromone bwana mati ni twire o uti muntu out of the president nyaba iku kuma kibake arethira ero imwe ku na ya koromone witate uhuru na ya koromone ite kurombambi kura he has never found it necessary kukiria hathie ya thoko yambi ya koromone tha ito thira tu na conversation and I will tell you this very honestly Martin kwina na ituthithetia uwe budget cycles nyingi cia county assembly Meru nuitiruare thirikari igeyo kwira ya kwinjira kithima itimenya kuya ruyu yambia kwinja no to one you promise number two you go and look for funds what look for funds no mwanka kulingana katiba chiete chiekiro kirimbi ki budget yekiro ki budget then endikenda control of budget ame ku release mbecha ira che release wa no mwanka kuthithirwe gintu kiwito procurement unfortunately so unio katibera batu twetire ate twaitiere now a project may be promised today bona Martin but it may take 7 to 8 months to actualize no to process yambi cha budgeting cha procurement
that's okay
now na te mberare president re kake endre ya president a promise thoko no mwankete
but you know
process
at least what promise ukaya na timelines wewe wangu kumenya kuringana na budget cycle iwo twirira mweshimua manto ya tekareka for example let's random examples
yes
and examples mtu wondomba correlate
yes
say for example ndarase nithi
yes
ndarase nithi president atwirire au kumetene the first 6 months akethre kurikane na ndarase eu bobo akila atwira ringi by next year mweri muna tukethwa tukurikania nini thai atwirire the last promise atwirire by the time tukuthiri tukinya kithurano kia 2027 ndarase eu kethre kurika thai where are we let's say for example just a minute
okay
thoko ya koromone they've been telling us before kithurano kia 2027 okinkometutakinya kithurano but practically is it even possible number 3 mheshimiwa you see etomikia thirikari thura wenjaro makena no ntobo kwithirwa maybe barabara yombere babwe batatu etherio ntubura and then we elect you kuringana na buro twirite wa twetheria right so that thing ya kuwa I think you should also cut a slack on critiques by government that ati siwage nereo kumeitenera kibaki nereo kumeitenera moyo but then why did we elect you
now one you've given a very good example that I mean Nithi Bridge I'll tell you even having that conversation itself is very important non to be like we've said to expect Ruto na Kindiki bambia kuthithakia magic bareta maendeleo no to primary kwe muntu aya ututhiria magic eta wakarugarua nende karumansira karugarua bare amario to fani amerage chindano akuthiria njara o kaumira njara ene nao so we don't expect the government any even the hopeful government ireke itu kuthithakia maendeleo through magic it's a process like I've explained to you today Nithi Bridge ara when contractor is told now do your mobilization ambiria mapping na binambi community teunio tutaye wa compensation nini na nuko issue cha compensation na chio bwana Martin some of them origana ya rira kwa na issues CSGR some of those issues took almost 2 years for people to be compensated enonto nyo kuibo ende nabo miundre mwanga ina mamba ina nini so paruru atiri babu because we know the land is here uti wa move it in the land all we asking because the government is always here let us start the work then paperwork yenu niyo ya compensation tukambiriria kumenya ende munda yo no ube no yo joint no ube na ina na then joint yao no bakari una nona so that nonto to wende ku resolve etera Martin to we ku resolve issue ya compensation ye miunda ira yotongwa ne nonto bo issue ya redesigning ye ni the bridge we may take 1 or 2 more years from here na ndo bamona bo bamoi bakwirwa muntu nawe itakero no opposition we ta koti bithia nini so at the end of the day ukona remo Martin we are the people who even slow development on our own no but to ngo to slow development in the name of activism na criticizing the government of the day.
You see, uni buonke ya kwithwa ndina munda yo akwaraniti makena nkethwa ndane kanire munda because I would say kuona simba bya kwana ndarasene I would say that but then,
in fact tika uga miundera kai tries to
but again mwesh wowa otena munda yuetete I think yuetete nonto kayo atumikana yo atumikante yotumira ringi number 3 mwesh you see ndadiatirire sana speech ya president irari bitawati boreruri
yes
awire tayari compensation nedirete kubwe nerikite kubwedwa ya miunde we bari aundarasa yita wokwa the following day bidato kuibwa
anto bando
ni anto hati bakiwa hati batari bata compensate miunde
now so far ire in disconnect one when the first nini ire anto barabare na claims ya miunda data yone ari kuyukwa but now later kotuika kuina ene miunda bange bawita that's why I'm telling you Martin you know unfortunately so ondera uramunda nande ukakuthiria process nderwa kuina nduke witwa succession anga nini nambi so orende munda yu nyinda indirekere ayu ninda kirire ndabere ndibothiria manto anyani nani party embeche ira ndatierie na ninkabothireria but as it stands ute watumira munda yuko so ne asara kibo na ne asara ke unonto ute wawitikirio ngetate atumira munda so what I'm telling you issue you touch munda Martin I can tell you they are very emotive.
It's not like that actually antibada tabaki watire dirabejire soil testing rabejire soil testing ba berere twetikiri ntukume mundene ba kinyanga miunde ona iratita baikwe ya weti ya Maria then berwa we not agreed utebo twetikanire tikiri manto ya yonde
yes
so beta sara into bombere beta sara into then
intore for example Martin de ya bieku
biba andete
manyare Martin let us not do this Martin like I'm telling you we will blame the government of course but at the end of the day even citizens have a responsibility bwana Martin
100%.
now ende okay awitare kwa mfano imera for lack of a better word imera yonto I have had even a conversation ya rekurari na manto ya kuthithia ya stripao oigwa mete anga ya itangwa lakini ukayawita section yu ishirabs je no there's utemete ya itangwa in that nini imathireti tu endi ukauria atiri bwana Martin inyethira ne activism let us be honest with ourselves ukayawita section ira ya nithire oi impempe ire kwethira chire me along that nini let's be honest
nande
it's okay
with story
yes
mwene munda araroma arawatiri munda yako oni yokumerwe imera byako bya kinyangwa ni character na tariwa
binambi menya ko batiri let us eunera itawari sensational
Sima kinya mtu andeta kama kimakawe nimera
isawa but nende niongo kwera ne watiri if the citizens themselves menya no tuto ichiere katiba is so complicated if the citizens themselves bakurea nithithio no ntu ne ukulukirambi ne ukulukira mndene yo bukoro ithirikare bukariwa lakini this payment is not instant it's not like an instant coffee ne ku involve many sectors of government onto National Lands Commission and so on and so forth bukoro tafadhali to allow nia o data ye no already ne yoketwe bukariwa lakini gango yete ate bukendana bukurea na ate kwenda thirikare ita ke abari ta kwa lazima so some of these issues icho tuma Martin nya barabara kwa tuikare mweni chiuchererwa and many other projects ya thirikari no nto activism nya ya wananchi bongwa so even the community itself.
Compensation.
Better ithietheririo, and I will tell you this. Thikira Martin, niongo kwira it's a process. Inyanto ibare yairwa iba nyangairu imera biu nyenjo. Sawa sawa. Ko into getawa human wildlife conflict. Sawa sawa. Na data yenu ne ye koyo itimete kai o tu, but eventually bugeta bukariwa. Because this money now has to be set aside, not to mbeje compensation itethera ke emergency kit. It must be set aside anto baka ile bakaona this year kure anto buri betre benyangeru into inini ku government project ye collapse ya inyange kinana kina darakani thia u gukuthithwa ndaracha miunda yanto itate. So baka ile in terms of compensation this year turenda this amount of money kiro ki budget
ande KIRIINYA no tutambe mbere
kana na kwenda tore ya buchara
okay ndo bara na ande KIRIINYA achokere twira atiri abo MCA ri ingugiri kuba Twitter na ndi no to governor igitare awalete tuthira na gutwira na ndi ngwataniro irere o etutam ekewe na kiatho giaku kana ndene anja yaku kagitene kano wite na mbere kwithira ukigura mutujwe tujwa nkima jwa nice extra premium mutujo muthongi jura jo gatigira ate antubanja yaku ni bagwita na mbere kwithira bekara na gikeno na mutujwa nkima jwa nice extra premium jwe na vitamin C kongera inya mwirine jwa aku na kinyamushere jwe tujwa mbishori kuma nice rice minerals joreo gutigira ate ni jo gwita na mbere kwithira jwe kutethia igitare we na mambura maguri jetu jendukene erere yakwina agwe na nkuruki maguri jetu guru muno akwina ndukerera akwina agwe na mutujuju no wite na mbere kwithira weju tumira na njira imbuthu muno na kwithira ati wita na mbere kwithira iruga nkima yakuna kagita ga kai na mushemo jo ambishori jo agirite muno jo geta na mbere kwithira jo kusheria ntu na we ndukene no wite na mbere kwithira igura ndukene rera akwina agwe kana wholesale kana kinya supermarket ukethira we nterire ciarare no wite ara kamkunji ukethira mutindo no wite sifa kana Saman distributors kana kanini ara kana ndukene ingirere akwina agwe keri retail shop yonde na nkrokines extra premium na kinya mushere jweto jo ambishori mushere jo ambishori jwethagira jwe kusheria muno jwe na mwero jo muthongi kuma nice rice minerals are ule ndene amoya na ukethira uriongete nteresha moya no withira ukirunga mara nice digital city moya twena nduka ithatu indhongi ma iraumba kwithira ukirunga ma ugekira ngare kukinya maguta ukethira ugitethia ntu ne au twena ntu agwitethia thongi twena kinya supermarket twena kinya mukawa twena fun place ya ana twena conference hall twena swimming pool na twena petrol station ya Shell iraumba kwithira ugeta na mbere kwithira ukiguneka no kanywa maguta na nkuruki gwe murimi wa nyomoshi andethia na ndegiteneretwe na nice choice fins iraumba kwita na mbere kwithira ukigura ni untu bwandithia ciaku no ugure dairy meal no ugure maize jam no ugure soy and winner no ugure pig finisher no ugure chick mash no ugure rears mash no ugure kienyeji mash na ingi nyingi na irio bibi geta na mbere kwithia bietethia ndethia kuno untu standard yetu ni iguru muno ya gutigira ati ndethia ciaku ni gwita na mbere kwithira kuongera baita egitenerere irio bietu biri angrove yonde kana ndukene yonde akwendi bya ndithia irere akwina agwe na twendene county ya Meru, Tharaka Nithi, Embu, Nyeri, Laikipia, Kiambu, Nakuru, Nyandarua no kethira oriongete nteresha moya antu ao kethira ukigura into beyond the maji nice na nice extra premium kila time ni nice. Mweshi, etera utoretere muchere. Baba bitu yatere, natembe hiyo njia sana.
Anada, venyambia kubo, Meru bayo tambishori, lakini wae kolokana harai pishori, yeto kwa wale, which is which.
Pishori. Meru is always right. Meru always right. Pishori. So much, that's yetu nkwane ikudira. Na ero kurono turabwithirirwa former CS Senator Mithika Linturi aituma advice kiri gavana mutuma na bunge abera debiro sana president Ruto akatha sana mutuma na rembe nindi Linturi aramwirira atiri okay akwibwa mberi okatha mburi onindi mwici miaka 20 amberi okatha downfall yako ndo inaanza.
Okay, so would you rather Mithika enda president ya awa mutumai muntu bure kabisa utengo ya kurita Meru bukethire nyabo na nafasi ingi muriteni itine kiu. I mean, let's be honest, wanasiasa, they will do what they have to do for a particular period of time. In fact, metheka atibati kwithira aitwira bura Ruto athoki. Oni me antaringira Ruto kura, by the just to be clear. I never voted for Ruto. I never voted for that duo ya Kenya Kwanza. So who should be blamed? Iyo ninkua Ruto narekano no athirie mirande irambiriretie kana iba mithika lituri ba mukampenere bakaria kura ciawe na ba make sure itine menya rimwe kato shift blame na arete batire no mumero abati ko hold accountable menya no aretere thina eriku sawa sawa iko atweka ithina kulinga na bura kwenda utonia no amiretere sawa sawa so oni KIRIINYA nku atiri barabara ekuina maita to connect na antu ba meomponi ikulukirite uwe to kaene na kimiri na kibuline ni kuthithwa so nyethira ntaringire thirikari kura wape nafasi wamalize barabara no ntoni kirankwenda imbi kirankwenda maendeleo na barabara eu so mundura nya to bati kuita bura muno ibarabara baretere mbi baretere thirikari ibo otebio babati kuthia beto ira manto anini don't oni kiakoni I never voted for that government but I have an interest in ndona thoko yere kinjai oni kwende thira haraka antuba mbeu bona wikakia mpempe tio atheru bona wikakia ndrengu no ntuturi manya ndrengu bona wikakia kwa chibia mukuo na bia mutebarima bakona thoko enje wikia ku au kinjai we have a business without market na mtura waka thoko uno uriko nani waretero imethika linturi oni nteneni and we want to thank Mithika for bringing such a wonderful president. I never knew ntai chibi Korea imbi. That time when I didn't vote for Ruto, I did not know. Now going forward, I would want to ask our senior brothers, those in Nini, iba toere atiri, isa azo iba kwenda kurita Meru ke William Samoei Ruto na Professor Kithure Kindiki. Sawa sawa, iba toere in the opposition Bwana Martin. No wakethira I senior most in that government from this region. But nabatoere na rieto kenda tumenya we are rallying behind a certain person na akethira aina gitikina iba twire imirandi iriku ike ya Meru kana I plan iriku bauba yete ba eneo Meru at least for Professor Kithure Kindiki na William Samoei Ruto we can see. And as I pen off Martin, let me request antuba Meru other communities kaba ka tongeria bo nukuona nyaluya tha ikaba wichumia wita waka muntu witwa Sifuna kinyethira Sifuna ataromba kura na arora kaba waka Sifuna kenda bona ethira no akinya itina kenda deputy president or running mate so please batu already to na take running mate we are one step away from presidency so let us support Professor Kithure because he is one step away from presidency. Thank you
ituchokerete nyuma gaita kuraya